What's up, YouTube? Back again. There you go. The finish. Cleaned everything up with alcohol. I ain't touched nothing. Tightened up all the bolts. Fits pretty good, man. Thing look sexy. Put the cover back on. Tightened up everything. Cleaned everything. Now, moment of truth. Oh boy, here you go. Sounds way better. Video don't do justice, man. You have to hear it in person. Sounds way better. I have to let it run so it can get to normal temperatures. And once it gets to normal temperature, I gotta check the bolts again and tighten them again. So I'm not gonna rev it or nothing. That's regular idle right there. I think I gotta bring the idle a little bit down, but it sounds good, man. Wow. The power, the backfire of this, wow. You can feel this thing all the way back here, man. Holy shit. That plus the Vortex ECU plus this right here that I'm gonna put next, the thermostat delete kit. Oh man, this thing's gonna be a beast, man. I can't wait. This is the only thing I gotta do next, guys. Thermostat delete kit. But right now, this exhaust sounds beautiful. Holy smokes. I just lowered the idle a little bit. It's right there. Sounds good, man. Wow. I only got 1,566 miles on it. Smells good. Sounds good. Wow. There you have it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I'm checking for any exhaust leaks. I don't hear none. So that's a good thing. The only thing I'm concerned is right here, this area. I don't have a heat shield. I don't know if they sell one that goes over this, but I'm afraid that when I'm riding, I might burn my leg. I don't know. I'm not too sure yet. So that's the only thing that concerns me. This area right here. Hopefully it's not a big issue, and it won't, it won't burn me or nothing. This thing is getting hot already. This bike runs lean from factory. This bike already runs lean from factory. So by me getting this exhaust and the Vortex ECU and then the thermostat delete kit, this bike is gonna run much better. Alright guys, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. 2022 Honda crf450rl. The best bike out. Honda, baby. Peace.